This is a brief video on how to look at performance across the different advertising channels within digital advertising. Click on the digital advertising product dropdown, and you'll see on the right-hand side a channels number. When you click this channel section, what you're going to see is the different performance of spend, leads, and estimated cost per lead broken out by each individual channel on which we are running ads for your dealership. You can also view this information by coming over to the left-hand side and clicking the digital advertising dropdown, where you'll see search, display, and social highlighted here as well. If you click on each one of those, that is where you can look at individual performance for the individual channel at which you select. You see search here, display, and finally social. Thank you.